team is number one, desirable.
Hello beautiful people, I am back with another video. So I'm just going to be filming while vlogging what I do today. I'm going to make some breakfast, some oatmeal, I want oatmeal. And then I'm going to go grocery shopping, come back, do a little workout, and then I'll see where the day takes me as usual. Say hey, Bam. He's like in every video now. So I'm making the same oatmeal that I did in my previous what I eat in a day video. Just maple brown sugar oatmeal from Trader Joe's. And I used 2 packets with some unsweetened almond milk. Now I'm just gonna let this cook down. Takes about 5 minutes. Okay, so my oatmeal is done. It's just like it was last time. My favorite oatmeal. Instead of blueberries at the bottom, because I don't have any, I put some frozen blackberries, some sliced bananas, cinnamon walnuts, almond butter, and peanut butter. Look at that. Look at that. I know I said it before, but you gotta try this oatmeal. It's the best. This oatmeal is like my favorite thing to make for breakfast. It's so easy. And it's filling. So I'm on my way to the grocery store. Such a beautiful day out today. Nice and sunny. Feeling good in the neighborhood. Mommy pop trunk, mommy pop trunk, mommy pop trunk. We are back with a bunch of groceries. Hello, father. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Okay, so I have my headphones in, and I'm about to do a workout, fitness blender. So let's see if I can make it through the full 35 minutes. Whew. Look at my hair. So I finished the entire workout, and now I'm about to go take a shower and get some food because I'm hungry. Gotta feed those muscles. It wasn't so bad and actually flew by really quickly. That's the thing about exercising. Sometimes you don't want to do it, but if you just put your workout clothes on, and just get into the zone, then you're gonna feel really good that you did it. Once I just put my headphones on and start exercising, it's like now I'm in the zone. And how I felt before, like a few seconds before, like, I don't want to do this. It all went away. But yeah, once you start exercising more anyway, your body's going to want to do it. Like, you're going to actually look forward to doing it. And that's what, I'm trying to get back into, because I used to exercise consistently a lot and I stopped. But I'm getting back into that spirit. So I'm going to take a shower and then I'm going to make myself something to eat. And I'll see you then. So my mom was in the kitchen making fruit salad, so I decided to munch on some sweet potato crackers that I got from Trader Joe's and some clementines. Then I enjoyed a nice bowl of fruit salad. For dinner, I had a delicious rice and veggie bowl I'm telling you, this was so good. I ate it with lettuce wraps. You have to try this. So it shows 3 russet potatoes here, but I actually ended up only chopping up 2. Then I added some sea salt, some garlic powder, some ground black pepper, a little bit of chili powder, and some paprika. And then I just drizzled some oil on top and baked it at 425 for about 25 minutes or until they were nice and crispy. For the black beans, I'm dicing up a half of a yellow onion and 4 cloves of garlic. And now I'm adding everything to a saucepan. I'm now adding 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans to the pot. And I'm going to add 2 cups of water just until it's submerged in it. Now I'm just sprinkling on some ground black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of chili powder. Now I cook the beans on a low-medium heat until a majority of the water evaporated out of it, and now I'm just mashing up some of the beans. Now I'm just assembling everything over some white rice that I made, adding my black beans and potatoes. Here are some sweet potatoes that my mom made, and she also made cabbage, which is why I didn't film it because I didn't make it. I topped it with some avocado and of course some sriracha, my favorite. So I'm going to enjoy my meal, and that is it for today's video. If you make this, feel free to tag me at NomNom2Fitness on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.